All right, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on for safety and then drive this tractor. Let's get these stabilizer legs down on the ground so you can see just how stable and sturdy this tractor backhoe can get. Here's the lever for the one on this side. Here she goes. Let's do the other side too. Whoa! Amazing! Stable as a rock mountain. This tractor isn't going anywhere. Fun, fun, fun! Now that we've got these stabilizer legs on the ground, the tires are off the ground. Whoa, look at that! It can spin freely. Tires are great when you want to roll, when you want to go fast. But when you want to stop and be as stable as a mountain, you put your stabilizer legs down so the tires go off the ground. And there's no rolling now. Yeah! I turned the seat around backwards to see just what this tiny excavator attachment can do. Let's check it out! Oh, hello! Hi. Welcome back to the Koobee Kids Fun Time Learning Adventure Show of Majestic Wonders. It's me, Koobee, and today we've got a tractor. Check it out. Now I'm sitting in the seat to control the tractor. Here's the steering wheel and the levers to control it, a seat belt to stay safe. Let's check out the other parts. Here, you've got a little wheel. In the front and in the back, there's a bigger wheel. Bigger wheels are useful for getting through bigger piles of dirt and stuff. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. That means that each of the 4 wheels have power to turn. If you're driving on rough terrain, it's really good to have 4-wheel drive. All right, what else we got? In the front, we've got a hydraulic boom arm and this bucket attachment. Now this tractor can have all kinds of different attachments on the front and on the back. These levers let you release the attachment to put on a new one. Right now, it's got this awesome bucket attachment for lifting dirt and rocks and stuff. It's pretty much a front end loader right now. Cool, fun. Let me open up the engine compartment and we'll see what's inside. Ah! Whoa! This is where the power comes from, the engine. When you turn it on, it goes brrrr, and the engine starts and you can drive it. Fun. Oh, let's close that up for now. and see what else we got. Over here, we've got wheel number 3, another small one. I wonder why there's small wheels on the front and bigger wheels on the back. Oh, check this out. This is the throttle lever. The turtle goes slow and the hare goes fast. Have you heard the story of the turtle and the hare? Who wins in the end? What else? Here's the seat that I was sitting in. Up here, we've got a giant roll bar. If you're going really bumpy and the tractor were to flip over, oh no! This roll bar would protect you from getting an owie on your head. Next, on the back, we've got this excavator attachment. Wow! This tractor is pretty much set up as a backhoe right now, with a big bucket front end loader on the front and this tiny excavator attachment on the back. Check out these teeth. Teeth like me. This excavator has 1, 2, 3 giant teeth. And this thing is the thumb. It's like a thumb on my hand. The thumb is actually an amazing appendage that humans have and not many animals do. Because of our thumbs and our fingers, we can grab things. Opposable thumbs. Get my thumbs up. All right. Now here, we've got the levers to control the excavator attachment part. And these are the stabilizers. They go down under the ground and hold it tight and lift it up to keep it real stable when you're using the excavator attachment. Fun! Oh yeah, 4-wheel drive. This is a really important feature of vehicles where you got 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels and they all have the power to turn. Amazing. What else do we got here? Oh, check it out. It's a cup holder where you can put your drink and a little pocket spot. Ooh, with zap straps, zip ties. These are amazing little tool things that you can use for all kinds of things. We're gonna learn more about that in another episode. I guarantee it. Well, it's been a real joy showing you this tractor. It's quite an amazing piece of machinery that gets used on farms for pulling all kinds of things like combines and harvesters and trailers. You can practically pull anything. And you can swap out attachments on the front and on the back of this tractor so it can basically be a little backhoe or a little front end loader or a little bulldozer. What an amazing tool, machine, vehicle. Fun, fun, fun! Vehicles all have dashboards with all kinds of indicators to tell you what's going on with the machine. This tractor is no exception. Come and take a look at this dashboard here. This is an indicator for how much gas is in the tractor. It's at the bottom now because the tractor is turned off, but when we turn it on, bing, it'll go up. In the middle, we've got the RPM indicator. That means rotations per minute. It's how much power the tractor is exerting. On the right here, you have the temperature gauge. At the top, it's hot, and at the bottom, it's cold. H for hot, C for cold. This red zone indicates that the tractor is too hot and needs to take a break. Sometimes I get too hot when I'm out in the sun, and I need to take a break, or a nap, or eat some delicious snack. Hee hee hee. Oh, down here, we've got the turn indicators when we're going to the right or when we're going to the left. That helps other traffic and people to know which direction we are going. This is the headlight control. There can be normal headlights or the bright headlight. And this red button is when you're having a hazardous issue. You press it and all the lights go flash, 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 flash. And people know, stay away from that guy. Give it some distance. That tractor is a hazard when it's got its hazard lights on. Here I have the key for the tractor. This is what allows me to unlock the tractor and drive it, just like a key for your house. Now, I'm gonna drive that tractor. That's because I'm an adult and I've asked permission from the tractor's owner to do it. If you ever wanna drive a vehicle, you need to ask for permission first. Now here, we've got the ignition that the key goes in. And this is the throttle with the turtle and the hare. It's a treasure chest! I wonder what's inside.
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Fun for you, fun for me!
What's in the treasure chest? What could it be? What's in the treasure chest?
Let's open it up and see! Let's open it up and see. It's practically bursting at the seams already. Wow! It's a tractor! Tractor, tractor! Have you ever seen a tractor driving a tractor? Now you have! Fun, fun, fun! Thanks so much for joining me again as we learned about the tractors. I'm so grateful to have you here. Let's take a minute now and give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
I like to put my hands on my heart sometimes to really feel the love that exists in the universe. I'm so thankful that I got to explore this tractor with you. What an amazing vehicle. And I'm so grateful for this little tractor that I can take home for my son to play with. And I'm really grateful for the trees and this forest that we got to be in. And I'm grateful for the sky and the ground and my thumbs and all of my fingers and all of my body. What a beautiful thing to exist in a body. And I'm really grateful for my mom who brought me into existence. And I'm grateful for my dad who taught me all about tractors and tools and cars and machines. And I'm thankful for you for joining me on this adventure of life. Thanks so much for being here on the Koobee Kids Fun Learning Adventure Time. If you've had a good time, then please subscribe to my channel because we have a lot more awesome fun coming soon. Click that red subscribe button and I'll see you again soon. Bye, bye, bye. Koobee Kids, Koobee Learning, Koobee Fun, Fun, Fun.